Happiness is an airplane to George Pereira, and he's happiest creating his own flying machine. That's what he's done with his Osprey series. Unlike its bulky and clumsy predecessor, the Osprey II is a sleek, highly maneuverable amphibious plane. 800 of them are now under production. He said he sat down at the drawing board to design it, and a year later, he flew it. He sold his Osprey I to the Navy, which planned to use it as a reconnaissance plane in the Mekong Delta. After the war ended, Pereira went about creating Osprey II for private owners. He made it a two-seater and incorporated a retractable landing gear. Pereira's exposure to flying began in World War II when he flew P-38s and B-17s. He and his crew were forced to walk out of Yugoslavia when their B-17 crashed. Later in Korea, a B-29 he was flying was hit. He limped back across the 38th parallel into friendly territory before parachuting safely. The Osprey seems destined to bring Pereira fame. Both are featured in an upcoming issue of Playboy. I asked him what he felt the first time he took his beloved plane up for a test.
Yes, it was a very rewarding thing once I got the aircraft debugged, and there have been a number of modifications. It didn't always fly as nicely as our flight today, but it has evolved into a very pleasant, nice, responsive airplane, which is a real fun airplane to fly. It equates almost the difference between driving a standard passenger car and a sports car.
George Pereira has proven the oddsmakers wrong by showing that you can build an amphibian plane that is smart and attractive and performs with the best of them in the air. He's already won 4 national awards, and plans for the Osprey are in 46 countries where it's being built. Bill Evans.